ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to get into it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so not Janet Jackson, but we're going to get into Lamar Kajal. Honey, if you want to hear my full thoughts on this fragrance, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we spill, sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left. She does. But that's okay. Just subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family. Hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family. I see y'all. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I know. Some of my family are like, here she go. Here she go about to talk about my fragrance. So now, when I first talked about this fragrance, it was my first impression, and it wasn't, let's say, a love at first sniff. It was none of that, okay?
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
And so I really wanted to test it some more, and a lot of my family members out there love this fragrance, and I am talking about none other than Lamar Kajal, okay? My family loves this fragrance. A lot of my family. Okay, I don't know if it's all, but a lot. And, you know, I just wanted to know, like, why was I not experiencing the same thing the other family was experiencing, okay? I want to be a part. I want to be a part of the team. So I had a recommendation to try it in the hot heat, okay? Because I was told, like, it'll probably do a little bit better on your skin, sis. Try it in the hot heat. Okay. I can follow directions, okay? So I tried it in the hot heat. And so I am ready to give you all my tea, my full feelings. And as of today, it's just not going to change right now, okay? So, let's get right into it. First of all, the packaging. Let's just talk about the packaging for Lamar Kajal. The packaging is amazing. I love this gold, and it has like this detailing around the bottle. This is such a beautiful piece to have on your dresser, to have a part of your collection. The packaging is superb, okay? And to me, the juice, okay? The quality of the juice is there. Like, longevity. Let's talk about it. Like, longevity got you. She got you, okay? Absolutely amazing, okay? Long lasting. Now, do I think this is versatile? Let's talk. So versatile, I feel like this is not a everyday reach to me, in my opinion. So if this is an everyday reach to you, cool. But to me, this is kind of like if I was going to an event, okay? Not a formal event, but something like a birthday party.
Yeah! Degrade myself, huh? I don't think so. Homie, don't play that.
Something like, if I was on a yacht. You know, if I was really on something like that, like a real fun event, okay? An anniversary, something like that, like a celebration, right? This gives me celebration vibes, all right? So versatile, I don't think this is really versatile to me. Like, I would not wear this every day. Now, you might wear this every day. We talking about me.
No, this whole thing, all of this, it's all about me.
Just right now, just for a moment, okay? Now, I wouldn't wear this every day, okay? All right. So pricing, you can find this on Joma Shop for about $126. So to me, the longevity that this gives you with the price, I think the price sits well. Now, at full retail price, I don't know. Don't ask me because I don't look for full retail. If I can get it on a deal, that's what I'm about to get it, and I'm about to tell you what's on the deal. I don't know. I don't know. Why do you want to know? But again, $126 for what you get, the quality of what you get, the longevity of what you get. I think that this is not overpriced. I think this is like a balanced pricing, especially with the prices going up. Don't get me started. But I like the price, okay? $126, we're a goer, okay? Let's move on. So, and this was launched in 2020, okay? So let's go over the notes, what we have, okay? Let's get into what's in this juice, okay, fam? Let's go. So we have top notes of pineapple, red berries, apple, cardamom, coriander. Middle notes, we have Bulgarian rose, Turkish rose, jasmine sunbat. We have magnolia. Base notes, we have musk, vanilla, amber, cashmere wood, cedar, and moss, okay?
Are you done? Are you done?
So this has really fruity notes, right? We have the fruity, we have a little bit of woodsy, we have a little spice, you know. So all the things are wrapped up into this juice. So, okay. Let's get into it. Okay. I had to get all the formalities out the way. Okay, my thoughts. Let it rip. All right, let's go.
Everything stops for tea.
Fam, I don't mind this scent. Okay, let me say that. I do not mind this scent.
I don't like it.
Is this a love for me? No.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
Okay, I am going to tell you, like, with the notes that I read, I think, and with me researching, this is what I came up with, okay? I feel like the coriander in this fragrance does not sit well on me, okay?
It sucked, Bobby.
The coriander in this gives me this dry, pungent, kind of earthy smell.
It stinks. It stinks. It stinks.
And it almost leans a little bit musty to me.
Musty?
In my nose, okay? The pineapple, though, the fruits in this are really fighting, in my opinion, on my skin, fighting that, that smell that is throwing me off.
It smells like a used diaper filled with Indian food. Oh.
It's like fighting it. It's like, the fruits are here. Sis, the fruits are here. See us. But that coriander, and I think that's what it is. It's either the coriander or maybe the moss. I don't know. But that musky note in there, it really throws me off with this. Okay. So I don't mind this. Am I going to keep reaching for this? There is a but.
Always a but.
I will, but it has to be paired with this baby right here. Okay. This is Juicy Flowers Mancera. Okay. I did not get compliments with this alone. And I was outside. She outside. Now, I did. Let's talk about outside just real quick, and then I'm going to go right back. Let's talk about outside just real 2 point. Okay. Outside is expensive. Okay, I post on my stories on Instagram. I probably need to dump my friends because every time they're like, let's go outside. Let's go to brunch. Let's go to let's go to this party. Let's go to this event. I am gonna tell y'all, like it's about $100 for me to just cross the threshold, for me being outside. I'm about to retire outside.
I'm about to be one of those people that got agoraphobia. I think that's what it's called when they stay in the house. Them people probably in their house, baby, and they rich. And I'm about to be like them. Don't ask me to go outside no more because I'm not going. I can't afford it. I got bills, okay?
Outside? Am I going to work? No, because work is in it at home. For me. So I'm about to retire outside. Okay? Fall here. Winter gonna be coming right after fall. I am on retirement. Okay? That is my outside. I'm firing myself from outside because every time I cross that door, it's 100 plus and a plus. I'm gonna sit myself inside. We inside. Moving on. Y'all know how y'all sis is. Okay, so now I will wear this with this beautiful Juicy Flower by Mancera. When I tell you all, I can't wait to talk about Mancera with y'all. I'm going to talk about it next week. But this, I have been using this down. Okay? Down. I cannot stop reaching for this. This is going to be like, let it be known. This is going to be on my top 5 from my tray. It is. I have been using this all the time. Almost every day. But I paired this together, and when I tell you, this to me gave me like Jolly Rancher. Like the pink one. And if you don't like the pink one, I don't know what to tell you. What is wrong with the pink Jolly Rancher? What? I mean, I do like a good, the green one. The sour apple, that is my junk. I like, okay. We ain't talking about candy. Anyway, this is really like the pink one. Is it the strawberry? It's not cherry, but maybe the pink one. It's fruit punch. The fruit punch Jolly Rancher. I think that's what it is, right? Let me know in the comment section. Okay. But this gives me that. With this pineapple and fruits combined with this beauty right here. Amazing. If you have this, try it. You'll see what I'm saying. I got compliments when I paired these together. I got compliments on top of compliments on top of compliments. Okay? And I was outside again. I was kind of outside, inside in the mall. It don't even matter. Anyway, I got compliments and it smells so good. Okay? So if you are interested in Lamar Kajal, I will say this is not blind buy. Okay? There are a lot of people that love this. Okay? That absolutely this works for their skin. It is amazing on their skin. They will speak like they're looking at me like,
What did you say?
Say something else. Say something else.
Did I say? Say it again. Say something else. Oh, say something else. Say something else.
I know. I gotta tell my truth though. Anyway, but this, people love this, okay? So, the hype is on this. But I would tread lightly. Please test this and see if it works for you. If it does, amazing. If it doesn't, pair it with something, okay? Because I can't say like, I'm mad that I purchased this, but that note in there, it does not work for my skin. And I'm like, please go away. Hurry up. And I'm thinking it's in the top notes. That's why I think it's coriander, because it happens when I initially spray this. The dry down, I'm good. When we get to the dry down, it's like guidance. I'm good, right? But that first initial spray and about 30 minutes into this, I'm looking at her like, who you playing? What you say? Don't try me. That I'm just looking at her like real sideways. Not that I was gonna hurt her. It's okay. But I just can't get with the opening spray, just being very honest with you. But when it dries down, I'm good. Okay. Now I will say a pineapple that I do like, that is also not don't blind buy this one either, but I do love this, is Apple Brandy, and this is by Kilian on the Rocks. This pineapple scent, to me, if you like a good unisex fragrance, like straight down the board, unisex. Some might think this actually leans a little bit more on the masculine side, but when I tell you, this has none of that funky note that I'm smelling in Lamar. It has none of that. And this is so good. And it gives me even that spiced pineapple. And this is amazing for the fall. Okay? Highly would recommend you get your nose on this. This is not a blind buy. Just because your sis love it, don't mean you are. Okay? Because some of y'all looking at me like, I don't even like that. Like, you like that? Oh my goodness. I can't believe you like that. Gourmand queen. I can't believe you do. But I do, right? I do. This also lasts a good while. Okay? Probably about 6, 7. Like, this is real powerful. Now, I don't know if I will overspray this on top of the overspray. But, tread cautious. Just don't choke the people out with this. Because it tends to do that. Even with the pineapple. Okay? But this is a really good option if you, again, like a unisex, you're looking for a pineapple scent. Definitely get your nose on this. Try it out. See if you would vibe. Okay? But again, my final thoughts on Lamar Kajal. It's alright. It's cool. I like her.
No. I don't believe it. It's not possible.
I definitely like her at the dry down, but I like her more when I'm pairing it with something else. And some of my fam also gave me some more pairing options with Lamar Kajal, so I'm gonna keep her. She ain't going away, so I'm gonna keep her. I'm gonna still rock with her. I'm just gonna rock with her in a combination scent, okay? Not by herself. She needs the homies. She not going out by herself, okay? On my skin. Me, okay? For you, cool. We kicking it homie style. So, is this leaning more feminine or masculine? I feel like this leans definitely down the middle, okay? I feel like my bros, my cousins, I feel like y'all can get with this. If y'all need a little fruit, but, still, I can see a man wearing this. I really can. And then my women, of course, yes. So to me, this is unisex, kind of leans right down the middle. But men also, get your nose on this because you might think it leans a little bit too sweet on you. But I really think that this would be a good option. Let me know. Males, if you have tried this, bruh, cousins, nephews. Let me know if you have tried this, uncles, grandpa. Let me know in the comment section. If you have tried Lamar Kajal, I would love to know your thoughts. If you think that it's, leans masculine, or you're like, nah, sis, that's definitely not masculine. Let me know your thoughts either way. And my ladies, my families that love Lamar Kajal, thank you so much even for recommending it for your loves because I was able to test it. So, I'm not mad at it. She just gonna be with the homies, okay? Well, that is all, family. That is all for my full thoughts on Lamar Kajal, okay? Let me know your thoughts. Is there anything? Let me know your scent of the day. What have you been testing? What have you been loving, not loving? I want to know all the tea and more, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you are good to yourself, okay? Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah. Your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.